Welcome to this power system practice session, lecture 3 for the nuclear power plant. Let's see the MCQs on this nuclear power plant. The main function of a moderator in a nuclear power plant is to start the chain reaction, no. To transfer heat produced inside to the reactor to heat exchanger, no. To slow down the fast moving neutron, yes. So the function of the moderator is to slow down the fast moving neutron is the correct option. Otherwise, to speed up the slow moving neutron is not the correct option. Which is the most commonly used moderator material? Sodium, boron, graphite, deuterium. So graphite is the correct option for used as a moderator. Heavy water is B2O, H2O, D2O, WTO. So heavy water is D2O. Under steady state operating condition, the multiplication factor of a nuclear plant is here more than unity, less than unity, equal to unity, none of the above. So multiplication factor is here equal to unity. So this is the correct option. These two options are not correct for this. The nuclear reactor is made up of steel, bricks. No, it is made up of concrete only. The purpose of nuclear reactor is to burn the fuel at control rate. Yes. Produce the electric power. No. Electric power production is by means of generator. And initiate chain reaction. No. So the both options are not correct. So the only option is burn the fuel at control rate. This is the correct option. The control rod for the nuclear reactor are made up of graphite, cadmium, concrete and lead. So here cadmium is the only answer for this, which is the control rod. Nuclear fusion proceeds best with neutrons at room temperature, neutrons at high temperature, none of this. So neutrons at high temperature is the option for the nuclear fusion. The heat produced by 1 kg of atomic fuel is equal to that produced by a coal of weight 1 ton, 1000 ton, 3237, 4237. So option answer is 4237. So this is the correct one, and you should remember this 4237. The location of nuclear plant is dependent upon the geographical factor, independent of the geographical factors, requires large quantity of water, and both B and C. So here independent of the geographical factor and requires large amount. So both B and C are the correct option. The nuclear energy is measured in mega electron volt, that is MeV, whereas joule is measurement of energy, and here megawatt, which is measurement of power. Which of the following material can be used as a coolant? Heavy water, helium, CO. So heavy water, helium and CO are all are the coolants. If the multiplication is less than unity, power level will rise. No. Power level will be maintained constant. No. Power level will be maintained at some reduced value. No. The power level will reduce to 0. This is the correct option when it is multiplication is less than unity. Nuclear reactor start generation when safety rod inserted into the core. No. Safety rod is withdrawn from the core. Yes. Then chain reaction will start. Okay. Otherwise both below options are also not correct, because this option is the only which is correct. Nuclear reactor generally employs fusion, fission, both fusion and fission, none of the above. So nuclear reactor is generally associated with the fission. So fission is the correct. If natural uranium is used as the fuel, the moderator to be used as a ordinary water, heavy water. So heavy water. The function of reflector in a nuclear reactor is to convert the heat energy. No. To reduce speed of the neutron, accelerate the chain reaction. No. Reflect the escaping neutron back into the core. Yes. So mainly, as the word suggests, reflector, which reflects the escaping neutron back to the core. Now the match list 1, which is named power plant, and list 2 is the plant feature. So here thermal plant. So basically thermal plant out of this which having high fuel transportation cost. Then nuclear which having high capital cost. Here hydro is high plant life, and here diesel is high operating cost. Okay, so out of this what we can say 4 2 3 1. So the 4 2 3 1, yes, 4 2 3 1. So this is the only correct option. On this question, list 1 is a classification based on the head, and list 2 is the types of turbine. So here low head 2 to 15 meter, so which is associated with the propeller and the Kaplan. Okay, propeller and the Kaplan. So A is related to the 4. Now medium head is 16 to 70. So medium head is associated with this Pelton, Francis, Kaplan. So medium is basically a Kaplan and the Francis. So B is associated with 3. Okay, so B is 3. A is related to 4. Now high head 71 to 500. So which is associated with this Francis and Pelton. So very high head which is Pelton. So here 4 3, this is 2, and very high head is 1. So 4 3 2 1 is 4 3. Yes, so option A is here 4 3 2 1. Now match list 1 power plant and list 2 applications. So here nuclear, there is nuclear is what? Base load, standby, base load or peak load, or the peak load. So here basically nuclear is what? A base load power plant. Diesel, so second diesel is what? Diesel is the standby, base load, peak load. So here diesel is standby. Okay, now gas turbine. So what is gas turbine here? It is basically a peak load. And what is hydro? It we can act as a the base load and the peak load. So here option is 1 2 4 and 3. So here 1 2 4 3 is the correct option.